Learn from some of the best neurosurgeons through the Neurosurgery Residency program at University of Missouri, Kansas City, in partnership with St. Luke's Marion Bloch Neuroscience Institute. Our program with the University of Missouri, Kansas City is the ideal environment to gain experience while receiving hands-on mentorship from some of the nation's leading professionals.
When residents enter the neurosurgery program, what they'll really get is a hands-on, very individualized experience in their training. We take mentorship very strongly here and really working very closely and collaboratively with the faculty. And then also seeing and experiencing the breadth of pathology and treatments across the spectrum of neurosurgery. I think that's really what sets us apart and what will position the residents that join our team to really excel while they're here. Throughout the course of their training, a neurosurgery resident will be exposed to kind of the full spectrum of neurosurgical pathologies ranging from trauma to simple and complex spinal deformity, vascular pathology, kind of anything from simple metastatic disease to the most complex kind of eloquent gliomas, skull-based surgery, spectrum of treatment and that spectrum of training backgrounds that allows a resident an opportunity to see things in a number of different ways and to add a number of tools to their toolkit that they're going to take with them as they graduate from us.
Residents also gain experience in diverse care settings with clinical rotations and teaching shared with University Health Truman Medical Center, Children's Mercy Hospital, and Kansas City VA Medical Center. With numerous research opportunities, we encourage both lab-based and clinical research. Our goal is to develop compassionate, well-rounded clinicians and academicians who are skilled at caring for all types of neurosurgical conditions.
Other advantages include Kansas City. It's a great city to be in. It's affordable. We have a very diverse patient population that we take care of. It's a great place to live, great place to raise a family if you have a family, and just a great place to be a part of the community and to be a part of something special.
See where you can take your neurosurgery career, where technology meets compassion and research meets opportunity, at the intersection of innovation and hope.